Ang lab na gagawin natin is Lab 12, which is LLDP or Link Layer Discovery Protocol. Then, gawin lang natin number 1, which is to disable CDP and enable LLDP on each networking devices. So, from switch 1 hanggang switch 2, configure natin. So, titignan muna natin kung may CDP ba to. And show. So, kung makikita nyo, yung CDP, so, naka-enable pa siya. And then, yung LLDP is naka-disable. So, by default, itong CDP naka-enable and then yung LLDP is naka-disable sa lahat ng networking devices. So, ang gagawin lang natin dyan, conft, so, no CDP run. Kapag no CDP run, dinidisable na natin yung CDP. And then, LLDP run, enable naman natin yung CDP, ay yung LLDP. Next is yung router 1. Same din lang sa ginawa natin. And conft, no CDP run, LLDP run. Next is the R2. En conft, no CDP run, LLDP run. Last, switch 2. En conft, no CDP run, LLDP run. Kung next na tayo is to show command to find the default timer values for LLDP. So, nandito naman na tayo sa switch 2. So, show LLDP. So, ito yung mga timer or default timer ng LLDP. Next is to use LLDP to identify which interfaces are used to connect the routers and switches. So, sa number 3, titignan daw natin kung ano yung mga connected dito sa switch 2. So, pwede naman dito tayo sa R1 para makita natin kung connected nga ba yung R2 and tsaka switch 1. So, exit. Ang command na lang na gagamitin natin is show LLDP neighbors or pwedeng for the shortcut name na lang. So, kung makikita nyo, ang sinabi niya dito is to identify interfaces. So, dito sa connected, dito sa R1, ito yung switch 1. So, kung local interface, ito yung naka-connect sa R1, which is yung gig 00. And then, hold time niya. And then, yung capability niya, which is R. And then, yung port ID nung switch 1 is gig 101. So, kung makikita nyo dito, sa part na to, ang capability niya lang is router. Next naman is yung R2. And then, yung local interface ng R1 papuntang R2 is gig 01. And then, yung port ID niya is gig 00. Ito yun. And then, number 4 na tayo. Use LLDP to identify the iOS version of neighboring devices. So, ang command lang na gagamitin natin is show LLDP neighbor or nay details. Ayan. So, makikita nyo dito, itong switch 1, ang iOS niya is Catalyst L3 switch software. Na version is 16.3.2. Next naman is yung R2, which is C2900 software na version 15.1. Lastly is to prevent switch to F0 interface from sending or receiving LLDP updates. So, mm, para mag-prevent or disable na pag-transmit tsaka receive ng LLDP, ang gagamitin lang na command is eto. Pupunta muna tayo dun sa interface na gusto nating i-disable. So, halimbawa, dito is F01. Wait. int F01 and then no LLDP transmit, then no LLDP receive. So kapag ganun na yung mangyari, hindi na makaka-receive ng LLDP itong PC na to or itong nakakonect dito. Pero kung want mo naman na yung switch to is hindi na makita ni R2, pwede nating i-disable yung LLDP sa ganitong command. Conft no LLDP run. So, within, diba ang hold time niya is 120 seconds. So, 2 minutes. So, 9:46. So, by 48, 9:48 or 9:49 natin makikita na hindi na connected yung switch 2 sa R2. So, punta tayo sa R2. Kung ngayon pa lang, kung i-show LLDP name natin, magpapakita pa yung switch 2. I'll never fall in love again until I found her. I said I would never fall unless it's you I've fallen to. Go on. Go on. Wait. So, check natin ngayon. Ayan. So, dito na sa router 2 is isa na lang yung connected na device niya kasi 'di ba dinisable na natin yung LLDP ng switch 2. So, yun lang.